Hey everyone, today you'll be doing 2 activities in Conjuguemos, and I'm here to show you how to get that started. So if you click on Conjuguemos 1 in Canvas, it will take you directly to the first activity, but in case you're having trouble with that, you'll click on Library, go to Spanish Grammar, and from there we are looking at gustar and verbs like gustar, and we're going to do the second one, which is the 10th activity here. So gustar and verbs like gustar, number 2. We'll click on the graded practice and start the graded practice. Here we're using gustar and verbs like gustar, and we're filling in the blanks with an indirect object pronoun. And those, as you know, are me, te, le, nos, and les, and then the correct form of whatever verb you're given here in parentheses. So we start off with the first sentence that says, a Marcos no blank blank la leche. Agradar is really similar to gustar, it's like to be pleasing. So what we're trying to say here is that to Marcus, the milk is not pleasing. So a Marcos no le, right? We're saying the milk is not pleasing to him. And milk is just one thing, so we want the singular form of the verb there. The milk is not pleasing to him, to Marcos. We'll do the same thing throughout the others. I'm going to go ahead and give you this one. A vosotros, the pronoun here is os. And then the next blank is basta. And I do think that you all can do the rest of them. Well, I'll give you number 20 as well. Duelen, plural. Alright, so if you want to go ahead and pause the screen, pause this video, then fill this activity out with your C buddy, and the rest of this video will explain how to do the second activity. Right, so when you finish this activity, hopefully you all got a great score, and if not, I'm hoping you went back and adjusted some of your answers to get a higher score. So what you're going to do is go into Conjuguemos 2, right, and this is after you've taken a screenshot of your score and uploaded it to the assignment Conjuguemos 1. Now when you click on Conjuguemos 2, you'll click on the link there, and it will take you to the second activity that I'm going to have you all do, focusing on indirect object pronouns. We're doing the 42nd activity here, indirect object pronouns, number 1. Again, we're going to click on the graded practice. So it says complete each sentence by using the correct indirect object pronoun and the form of the verb. There are only 10 sentences this time. And what we're doing here is not only are we conjugating these verbs, but we're trying to figure out who the verb is happening to. So this says, I blank the packet to Carlos. And the verb dar is one that you all know. It means to give. So what we're trying to say here is I give the packet to Carlos. So the yo form of dar is irregular. It's doy. I give the packet to Carlos. And if we're giving the packet to Carlos or to him, what pronoun can we use to say to him? That's le. And the le is going to go in front of doy because doy is a conjugated verb. So for this activity, you all will be using the present tense only. Okay, so everything should be in the present tense. I'm going to go ahead and give you number 6 as well. It says I blank el paquete, the packet, a vosotros, to you all. Mandar is to send, so I send the packet to you all. To you all is os, and mando, I send. I send to you all the packet. Okay, again, you're going to go through this one, fill in the indirect object pronoun and the conjugated verb. You're only doing the present tense here. Now, when you move off of this activity and you're doing the online practice assignment called Unit 8 Practice 3, you'll be doing some sentences like this, but you will be using other verb tenses, not just the present tense. So pay really close to the English translation to make sure you know what it is you're trying to say there. Okay? Best of luck.